Am I audible?
Hello, ma'am.
Yes. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am. Audible.
Okay. So let's start today our sessions. Okay, I'm sharing the PPT. Can you see the screen?
Yes, ma'am. Visible.
So last class we have talked about how to install Visual Studio Code, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So have you installed it in your system?
Yes, ma'am. Already installed.
Okay. Okay. So let's do a program. Okay. See. So the question start with write a C program to find sum and average of three numbers. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Okay.
So what will be the first step? What will be the functions we have to put in case of in sum and average?
Start first declare the header file.
Header file.
Next, ma'am. Next, start with main function and
Yes.
initialize the variable.
Hmm.
Then process plus average.
Yes.
Yeah. Then print.
The average.
Then print.
Okay. The average will be in which function?
AVG function.
Yes, AVG. Yes. But in case of this AVG, what functions will put here?
Uh,
I mean, which data type will be there in average?
data type में
Okay, just look it down
मैम
this.
float float
Yes,
float
float.
float
Okay. So what float? Okay, what data type float we use? मतलब float में कौन सा data type use करते हैं हम लोग? Integer. Okay, okay. Let me start with this one.
yes integer हाँ
So
integer
we all know include studio is a header file, right? So header file it is
yes ma'am
used to include standard input and output function just like printf. Okay, printf and scanf in the
hmm.
program. So in C program you use hashtag that is for to standardize about the input and output functions. Okay, and
हाँ
for this in main we use for in main. Why you use this in main?
in
Int is used for integer. Okay, to
integer
put a value. So here
yes
main is what? Main is the function where
main
the
is the main
executions of the
function
program started. Okay,
yeah
it means these functions will return an integer value. Okay, then after the
yes
putting we here int a b c sum. Here sum
is a
means what?
variable sum is a
Sum means
variable is
variable.
variable
No, sum
used
is not
for
variable. Sum is for additions. Okay, for addition purpose.
oh
See
है
here.
हाँ
In A, B, C is up to A, B, C is a variable. Okay, that
okay
store the three number entered by the user. Okay,
hmm.
maybe we as user we put here as a variable. Okay, so sum means what?
Hmm.
This program is telling this line is telling that integer A, B, C to 8. Okay, to add this
Hmm.
3 digit or 3 this variable. Sum means here addition. Okay, additions of these three number. Okay, after the putting with this we the average the number we don't know that the number maybe it can be in maybe in decimal number or in a integer number. Okay, here why we give this float average because this declare a float variable called average. Okay, it is used to store the
hello
average
ma'am
value which may contain decimal number. ठीक है, we don't know that maybe answer it come 3.0 or 4.0. Okay, so that's why we are putting here float average. Float means here where the this number where the data are have the decimal number. Okay, ठीक है. तो याद में रखना कि अगर डाटा टाइप में फ्लोट, इंटीजर या फिर चार ऐसे लिखा है तो क्या समझ लेना, फ्लोट होता है डेसिमल नंबर. ओके, where in the number have a point number. In case of integer, in integer we don't have to put float, okay, because we are putting here ABC because there is no decimal number, right? So after that, prename. Why are you using this prename? To display a message on the screen, right? So after that, we can see scanf. Why are you using scanf? This scanf यूज कर रहे हैं हम लोग. Scanf is used to take input, okay, to show the input from the user. And can you see this %d? Why are you using %d?
%d means is defined the integer value.
Yes, it's a format. Okay, it's a format to define a integer value. Okay,
Integer value.
so you can see here %d, and also there is a NA, NB, and C. We are putting
Yes.
here those two, the enter value in a variable of A, B, and C. Okay, so %d, it's a format integer value. It's a format of to put an integer value, and ABC is the value of the variable. Okay, and here N is using for to call the address, of the operator, and also used to access the memory locations. Okay, so for every line there is a meaning. Okay. Yes. Okay. After that, what they said in third line, int ABC, comma sum. That means what? To add, the program is saying to add this number, to sum this number. So we are applying sum equal to A plus B plus C. Right? Yes. After that, what the question said? Write a C program to find sum and average of three numbers, right? So after adding all these three numbers, we have to find out the average of three numbers, right? So that's why we are putting here float average, because average number could have the decimal number, right?
Decimal number.
Yes. So that's why we are putting here float, okay? Because float only accept the decimal number.
Decimal value.
Okay, so decimal number only stored in a float data type. Okay, so after that, what see? After finding out the average, we'll see the prename. Again, we are putting prename because why? Because to show the display of the sum. Okay, after we applying the sum, what we will see? Again, %d/n. We are putting here /n. Why?
That after printing the %d value, cursor move to the next line. That means create a next line.
Yes, that's move to the next line. Yes, good. Because to move to the next line, we are adding again n/. Okay, again we are printing prename. Now for what? To find the average equal to %2fn. Okay, so why are you using 2fn here?
2fn, that means
To
fractional.
display. Okay, because our average number is show in two numbers, 2-digit number, right?
Yes,
so
yes.
that's why it's display in a float value, because we have two decimal place. Okay. Okay, now let's run this program and show me. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. सिस्टम में है ना तुम्हारा ये विजुअल स्टूडियो कोड?
हाँ, विजुअल स्टूडियो तो है मेरे पास.
हाँ, ये रन करके दिखा सकते हो अभी?
हाँ, श्योर मैम.
अच्छा, ये ट्राई करो, ठीक है?
ओके मैम.
So now you got it. To for every line there is a every meanings of line. Okay, for different meaning there is a line. So write a C program to find sum. Sum means here additions. Okay,
Okay,
and
ma'am.
average of three numbers. So for this kind of questions, you have to put a float average as well as int to value to store a variable, and printf you're using for to display the output as well as input. Okay, and
Okay,
scanf
ma'am.
also to show the output, and percent d we are using here to additions to add the this all number. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
you show me in Visual Studio Code run.
Ma'am, my screen is visible.
No, it's like unseen. I think you have to click on share option. After that, you have to share the screen. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. I've already shared, but here, Jiva is sharing. I'm getting already message from screen already shared, but
Okay. Um, I think I can't see anything. No, I'm not getting any screen. Okay. After if you get the output, then you can share in group also. Okay.
sure, ma'am.
हाँ ग्रुप में शेयर कर दो स्क्रीनशॉट करके ग्रुप में शेयर कर दो ठीक है एंड राइट इट डाउन दिस
Acha, ma'am.
हाँ program 1 write a C program to find an average of three number this output okay you can share like this if you are unable to share your
Sure.
screen.
Ma'am, 2 minutes.
Okay, I'm waiting.
मैम
Yes. Okay, you have shared
अच्छा
it
मैंने
now?
तो हाँ प्रोग्राम तो ग्रुप में शेयर कर दिया हूँ। एक्चुअली मेरा
हाँ.
तो विजुअल स्टूडियो में फर्स्ट टाइम यूज कर रहा हूँ। एक्चुअली मैं पहले टार्बो सी में करता था।
अच्छा.
तो विजुअल विजुअल स्टूडियो में रन कैसे करते हैं?
अच्छा, विजुअल स्टूडियो. अच्छा, ये पॉइंट है अभी. एक्चुअली इवन इन माय system also I am having some problem regarding this Visual Studio Code running. Okay, so first of
ओके
all,
मैम।
can you see the in up place run option? Can you see that?
रन ऑप्शन
दिखाई दिया? Or else I will show in my field.
रन एंड डिबग यस।
Yes, run. I click on this run and debug. Okay. What comes after run and debug? Is it showing any terminal? टर्मिनल में कुछ दिखाई दे रहा है?
ना ऐसा तो कुछ आया नहीं। कुछ इंस्टॉल करने के लिए बोल रहा है।
That means you have to install one compiler. Okay, to run a C, you have to download a compiler. Okay.
ओके
Okay, leave it for today. You do it in your home. Okay.
ओके मैम।
You do it in
एक्चुअली मैं
laptop.
टार्बो सी में तो पहले करता था, लेकिन विजुअल स्टूडियो मैंने फर्स्ट टाइम यूज किया हूँ इसलिए।
Okay. Actually, you can run even in Turbo C also. Okay, but the Visual Studio Code is like it's like nowadays everyone is using this Visual Studio Code. So better you have to update yourself by using this Visual Studio Code.
ओके मैम।
हाँ. नहीं तो टर्बो सी में भी कर सकते हो, कोई बात नहीं है, लेकिन like nowadays everyone is using this Visual Studio Code. Okay.
एक्चुअली कुछ इंस्टॉल हो रहा है अभी मैम। शायद कुछ पेंडिंग था टार्बो सी का।
Oh. Or else you can run in your in online compiler also. कभी रन किया ऑनलाइन कंपाइलर में?
ना मैम
हाँ.
ना। स्टार्ट
So can you see my screen here?
नो मैम नॉट विजिबल।
Not visible.
यस
Okay, wait. Okay, can you see right now?
यस मैम विजिबल नाउ इज विजिबल।
Okay. So what you have to do? First of all, you have to go and search in Google Chrome or in any online form. Okay, so go and search there online C compiler. So just go
अच्छा
and Google and search the option in search option. Click online C compiler. Okay.
ओके मैम।
So I'm running one program here. So let's check from this. Okay. So after I'm writing in a main.c. Okay. So you know the meaning of main.c here. Why I'm writing here .c?
मैम इज एक्सटेंशन ऑफ सी प्रोग्रामिंग
Extensions of C
एंड
program. Right.
यस
So now we run this program. Okay. You can see now. You can see my screen.
यस यस विजिबल।
Okay. So now the output is saying enter 3 numbers. Okay. Because in integer we have put only 3 variable, right? So now I'm
Sure.
putting 2 plus 2 plus 2. Okay. Now enter it. Now it's showing 6. Okay.
हाँ,
After adding 2 plus 2 plus, what is the average we find here?
average value also 2.00.
Yes, 2.00. Why this 2.0 is coming? Float, we have
Fractional,
floating data
fractional
types
value.
of float. Okay, because
Float.
float only we get, because after finding average we'll be
हाँ,
getting decimal number. That's why you are using
हाँ,
2.00. Okay, now you got it.
yes, yes, ma'am.
Okay, now let's remove. Okay, now let's remove float. Okay, if I'm not putting float, then what will happen? Let's see. See, the function is becoming error, right? By removing this
Yeah,
float, we can see this it's coming error because
yes,
what they said average and declare first use in these functions.
हाँ,
Okay,
हाँ,
in functions man, it's showing that because average have to show in a decimal point
decimal
only.
point.
Okay, yes, decimal point. So because of that, because we are removing the float, that's why the syntax is showing error. Okay, now let's see come or not. Okay, yes, it's coming because in average we put float. Okay,
Yes,
so the answer will be like this. Okay, okay, now moving to the next. You also can run this program in C compiler. Okay, you just show me
okay,
how to run this. Okay,
okay, ma'am.
हाँ सी कंपाइलर में रन करके दिखाओ या फिर पुट ब्लॉक है क्या तुम्हारे पास अभी?
नहीं, मेरा जस्ट अदर कोई सॉफ्टवेयर नहीं है, जस्ट मैंने विजुअल सॉफ्टवेयर, विजुअल स्टूडियो जस्ट इंस्टॉल किया था।
ओके, देन तुम अभी अभी एक काम करो, just go to the Google Chrome and search there C compiler. ओके,
अच्छा, अच्छा मैम।
सी कंपाइलर में जाके ये रन करके दिखाओ और आउटपुट भी दिखाओ। Did you see the online compiler?
यस मैम, गॉट इट मैम। मैम सी, I already
Okay,
shared in a WhatsApp group, ma'am.
okay. Yes, this will be the answer. Okay, this
Yes,
is how
ma'am.
it will work. Okay, so this is how the to find the average of three numbers. Okay,
Hmm.
now let's go to the another question, that is write a C program to check whether a year in a leap year or not. Okay,
Yes.
so as we know, include studio is used for this is the header file, right?
Yes.
Header file
Ma'am,
of the
screen is not visible, ma'am, now.
screen is not visible. Okay,
Yes.
okay, wait a minute. Now can you see it?
Yes, now it's
देख
visible.
सकते हो क्या?
Yes, yes,
हाँ.
visible, ma'am.
क्या बोला? Write a C program to check whether a year is a leap year.
Leap year or not?
So for that, you are using again int main. Okay. Can you
Hmm.
see here why you are putting year on here? हम
मैम,
लोग year क्यों put कर रहे हैं?
ये तो एक आइडेंटिफाई के लिए एक्चुअली यार तो यहाँ पर एक वेरिएबल है, इंटीजर वेरिएबल.
Hmm. Integer है, right? Okay. So again प्रिंट जो है हम लोग को डिस्प्ले करने के लिए, ठीक है,
हाँ.
आउटपुट डिस्प्ले करने के, और स्कैनफ टू
Accept
टेक
some data
इनपुट.
from user.
हाँ,
The put
इनपुट करने के लिए अगेन दे आर यूजिंग परसेंटेज डी बिकॉज ऑफ
format of integer value
इंटीजर वैल्यू, राइट. एन
and is a memory allocation for integer value.
ओके, सो विल फाइंड आउट लाइक दिस. ओके,
Hmm.
तो ये भी टाइप करके रन करके दिखा.
Okay, ma'am. मैम 2 minutes मैम.
कर लिया क्या?
मैम जस्ट मिनट रन कर रहा हूँ.
अच्छा अच्छा ठीक है।
मैंने आउटपुट दिया हूँ मैं. मैम
हाँ हेलो।
आउटपुट शेयर किया हूँ.
अच्छा ठीक है। ओके शेयर इट।
हाँ ऑलरेडी शेयर्ड मैम इन व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप में.
ओके सी।
यहाँ
सो
पर
लीव ईयर इज।
हाँ
हम्म।
मैम यहाँ पर
हाँ
2000
बोलो।
दूंगा तो लीप ईयर आएगा.
हाँ ओके। लेट मी सी क्या आता है, देखते हैं, रुको।
हाँ
लेट मी चेक माय मैसेज। Okay, right now I want to check about 2026. Okay, what is the leap year?
मैं थोड़ा मॉडिफाई करके दिया हूँ एक्चुअली। यहाँ पर लास्ट प्रिंट में वेरिएबल डिफाइन किया नहीं था, तो इसलिए 0 आया था।
ओके,
मैं फ्रेश करके दे रहा हूँ मैम, दिया हूँ मैंने फ्रेश करके।
ठीक है। Okay, so we all know 2004 is a leap year. Okay,
यस, लीप ईयर।
leap year. But if we search about 2023-24, then it will show it's a not leap year.
नॉट लीप
Okay.
ईयर।
Hmm. So that's how the leap year find it out. Okay.
ओके मैम।
You just do it homework, okay, in your home, or you can show me in your next class also. This one. Write a C program to find out individual digit of a positive integer. Okay. Again.
ओके मैम, नो प्रॉब्लम।
Okay. Okay. Can you tell me why you're using here num, num,
NUM, where मैम?
num? Yes.
int m and int NUM।
Yes. In
ये
num.
तो, हाँ, ये तो एक इंटीजर वेरिएबल है।
Integer
नंबर,
number. Okay.
नंबर,
Number.
हाँ, नंबर।
Yes. Okay. Then again, we're using while here. What's the
while
functions of while?
while condition
Yes.
is if number value greater than 0, then do the next step. That means
Yes. What
digit
if
equal to,
okay? What is say that if the number is greater than maybe while options you are using because if it is अगर अगर ये बड़ा हुआ तो इसमें greater than होगा, अगर छोटा हुआ तो smaller than होगा.
smaller than
Because
होगा।
that's why you are using here while functions, while loop functions. Okay.
Yes मैम, हाँ।
while loop का function ये use करते हैं कि अगर अगर I if else condition, these are used for when there is a two kind of output. If there is a two output functions, okay, अगर
हाँ,
जहाँ पे दो मतलब दो आउटपुट का ऑप्शन आ सकते हैं, उस टाइम हम लोग while का ऑप्शन यूज कर सकते हैं. ठीक है. ओके, अभी रन करके देखते हैं ये. Can you see my screen?
yes, visible मैम।
Yes, enter a positive number. Let's give here 10, okay?
हाँ,
So sum of the digit will be 1. Okay. Now
मैम
again.
is it PPT or
Hmm?
are you using PPT or practical? Actually only PPT is showing मैम।
Oh, only seeing the PPT.
yes
Okay.
yes
Wait. Let me explain. Okay. Wait a minute.
yeah.
Sure.
Banana.
Can you see right now?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. So digit. Here digit means what?
Digit also is
While
a
here you
integer variable.
okay. So digit, add the digit to sum and like okay. Okay, now let's run this because after the digiting, after adding this number, we'll find out the number and after that we'll divide by 10. Okay,
Hmm.
so let's go to suppose we input 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay,
Ah,
let's see what will the sum it will come if we divided by 4, 10. Okay,
ah.
it's come 10 because we divided by 10. Okay, so 1, 2,
Okay.
3, 4. What is 1, 2, 4, 5? Okay,
Enter the positive.
so
Ma'am, what
now,
is the question of this program, ma'am?
okay, wait. The program is write a C program to find the sum of the individual digit of
Acha,
a
acha, acha.
given positive integer.
Ah,
Okay, we
hmm.
have to find out the positive integer.
Ah.
So after putting again, let's see. So after adding 1, 2, 3, 4, we
3,
get
4,
10.
10.
Yes, we get 10. Okay, so
Hmm.
output we get 10. So after that we are putting again 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's see how it comes. 6.
5 and 6.
Okay, after adding we put 6 6 come. Okay, मतलब
Hmm.
क्या करना है, एडिशन ही तो करना है ना. देखो,
एडिशन ही करना है.
1, 2, 3 और उसके बाद क्या था हम लोग का नंबर 1, 2, 3. After adding all these digits, we have to divide it by 10. Okay.
Hmm. Hmm. मैम इसका क्या गिवन नंबर पॉजिटिव और नॉट वही तो चाहिए ना.
हाँ, पॉजिटिव होना चाहिए.
अच्छा, तो इसमें व्हाइल कंडीशन से दूसरा कोई क्वेश्चन होगा क्या?
हाँ, वाइल ऑप्शन में यही है कि पॉजिटिव का इंटीजर आएगा. रुको मैं दिखा रही हूँ. तो नंबर इक्वल टू नम इक्वल टू divided by 10. So after we putting these 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Let's see, we are putting 10. Okay, 1 will be there. So it come 1.
डिजिट ऑफ सम 1.
Yes, it's a
ओके.
digit of sum. Okay,
हाँ.
not sum. It's a digit of dividing. We are dividing this number na. We are dividing with this 10. Okay, the
हाँ.
number we are putting here in this this number 10. Then divided by 10. Then what will come? 1, right?
यस.
So it's come 1 1 output. So sum of the
ओके.
digit is 1. Okay. So now again we are putting another options. Now give better than 10. Okay. Let's put greater than 10 number. 70. Okay. What it comes. So 7, this is 7. Okay.
मैम if use 71.
Yes, let's see this one. रन नहीं हो रहा ये तो। Oh, I'm having some problem, okay, by putting this number 71. Okay, let's see 11. Again, it's not coming. तुम रन करके देखा ये? Okay, let's see 0. Let's put 0 now. Okay, let's see by putting 1 to 3 what it come. Okay, it come 10. That means what? It's greater than 10, right?
Yes. Greater than 0.
Yes, greater than 0. Sorry, greater than 0 here.
The given number
There is
greater
no
than
greater than
0.
0, right?
Ah.
Okay, now let's see by changing another options. Okay, let's see 5. I'm putting here 5, not 5. Okay, let's put 50. Okay, now let's see, now run and see. These are, let's put 70. What it comes, let's see. No, it's not working. Okay.
Light cell का system का है।
10.
Positive integers.
7. 6. Two. So 10 will become. I think it's having some problem. I think it have some issue. Okay, so we're putting while number greater than 7. Okay, we already put the greater than number, then we get the output here 2. Okay, but still they are showing that while loop still not showing the greater than 7 and not less than 7. Okay, there will be some issue. Again, I think it has some problem. Okay, we'll see in the next class. Okay,
Sure, ma'am.
this question.
मैं भी इसको ये करके होमवर्क करके रखूंगा। एक्चुअली इसका मेन क्वेश्चन था सम ऑफ डिजिट्स,
Sum of individual digit.
सम
Okay,
ऑफ
I'm
इंडिविजुअल
sharing
डिजिट।
again. Okay, just sharing this. Yes. The question was to find the sum of the individual digit of a given positive integer.
गिवन
Okay.
पॉजिटिव इंटीजर। अच्छा, जैसे कि मैं 5 और 3 इनपुट करूँ 53,
Hmm.
इसका आउटपुट विल बी 5 + 3 = 8।
8. Then we have to divide by 10. Okay. Again, after
ओके,
adding this number, we have to divide it by 10. If it's divided, if 0, because 0 तो बड़ा ही 0 तो कम ही होगा ना, because it's
हाँ
greater. तो हम लोग ये यूज करने का जरूरत ही नहीं है, ये वन
ना,
नंबर यूज करने का जरूरत ही नहीं है ये ऑप्शंस. We have seen here instead of 0 we have put 7 5 also, but still they are showing the same digit number. Okay.
यस,
तो क्वेश्चन ये है कि हम लोग को ये डिजिट पास करने के बाद डिवाइड करना है एक नंबर के साथ, वो है 10 नंबर, और यू कैन चूज एनी नंबर आल्सो यू कैन गिव, but it's showing the same number. Okay. Okay, so we'll do in the next class. Okay, and that is even or odd number.
इवन और इट्स आल्सो फाइन मैम,
हाँ,
इवन और ऑड
कल
ये भी हो जाएगा मैम।
हो जाएगा.
हाँ हाँ, हो जाएगा।
अच्छा ठीक है, करके दिखाओ.
ओके मैम, मैं करता हूँ। हाँ,
हम्म.
Am I share you? मैम,
Yes, you have shared in group.
हाँ ऑलरेडी शेयर्ड।
Okay. 24. Okay. So even number is 24, right?
24.
Okay.
If
Now
if
search
you,
for the odd number. Okay.
if you print your input 27, then it will be show odd number.
Odd number. Yes. Okay. This will be the answer. Okay. Even
Ah,
odd. Okay.
yes.
Okay. So that's it for today class. We'll do
Okay, ma'am.
another programming next class. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.